As much as a new PS3 game.
Did that buy this in the mall or something?
Yeah. It was like while I was asleep, and it was in like Virginia or some shit like that.
That got really close to the 10. As long as it drops in the grass, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
I didn't take off with enough speed.
Go.
Let's
Lego. Too close.
Chopper down.
Mayday, mayday. Chopper down. We have a Asian pilot. Asian pilot. Alright,
Can you fly this thing?
let me try now. And you try to record me.
Come on. Is there like, it says lessons?
I don't know.
Turning's awful.
Let me try it.
Oh, one more flight.
Alright.
Do it.
The White John is gonna... Oh shit! Oh crap! You almost hit my face! That went well. Hey! Stop it! I said stop it! Alright, you're recording now.
One airplane like shit.
Take two. Action.
You can't even
I barely even took
You
off.
can't lift off from grass, it's too hard.
That's
No
what
more.
he said.
No. You suck!
What the hell happened? I didn't even do anything.
Alright.
No.
I swear
Oh
you're gonna...
shit!
Oh!
Oh crap!
Oh shit!
Oh crap!
Oh my god!
Holy crap, that scared the shit out of me.
That was so funny, you hit their house.
It's still recording, right?
Yeah. Can I fly it?
Yes. After that, I'm not flying it outside. Even though this is my helicopter, I suck at this. Let's let the white boy do it. Because white boy good
Racist.
at everything.
Except for basketball.
But you created basketball.
Too much wind.
That's why I flew over you like that.
What happened?
Oh crap. If you notice, that thing is bent.